Jessie's Law came from Jessie Grubb, David Grubb's daughter, 30 years old, beautiful little girl. And she had gone to college, and she was sexually abused in college, and came home and was traumatized and started using relief, if you will. So what had happened with Jessie, she had gone up and down, she'd had many setbacks and everything. The family stuck with her all the way through. And she was 6 months clean, 30 years of age. She was a runner, competitive runner, and she had a hip injury, went in and had an operation, and then had an infection, and they were trying to cure that. She told them herself when she went in and got admitted in the hospital. She says, I'm a recovering addict, so I just wanted you all to know that. Be careful what you give me. The parents pleaded, says, listen, my daughter's a recovering addict. You've got to be extremely cautious. This is serious. And as David, her father, told me, the discharging doctor had nothing on the charts. It must have been buried. You know, if you're allergic to penicillin, it's just bold. But on this, nothing. It was buried somewhere. He didn't see it. And she has pain, and he gave her a prescription for OxyContin. She gets the prescriptions filled as she goes home, and she was gone before morning. She called her parents that night and said she was tired and going to lay down and take a nap. All we're saying is, and because of HIPAA and all the privacy laws, a lot of things prevent us from doing the things that we need to do, okay? And I understand that. But if you have a willing patient, you have a willing guardian and parents who are consenting and saying, listen, please identify, stamp this baby, put a red flag all over her, or him, or whoever it may be, that we don't find somebody that doesn't read the records, whether it's anesthesiologist, whether it's a discharging, whether it's a attending physician, whoever, does not understand we're dealing with a very delicate situation here, and this person needs to be handled and treated differently. So that'll be Jessie's Law.